Today I'm exploring Ausable Chasm, located in Keysville, New York, just across the border from Vermont and about a 3.5-hour drive from Kingston, Ontario. Admission to Ausable Chasm varies depending on the experience you choose. Crossing the Ausable Chasm Bridge is a highlight. It's a steel arch bridge built in the 1930s that spans the gorge with dramatic views of the river below. Along the trail, you'll also encounter wooden steps and cable bridges that crisscross the river, adding a bit of thrill to the walk. These structures blend beautifully into the natural landscape and offer great photo ops. The rock formations here are made of ancient Potsdam sandstone, and you'll see ripple marks from prehistoric seas. One of the caves, often called Coin Cave, is a spot where visitors toss coins for luck. It's likely Hyde's Cave or Devil's Oven, both carved by water and surrounded by moss-covered stone. The echo of the river and the cool air make it feel almost mystical. As I walk along the trail, you'll notice it's well-maintained and winds through 5 miles of forested paths and stone walkways. The hike is mild to moderate, with plenty of shaded areas and scenic overlooks. You'll pass iconic formations like Elephant's Head, Column Rock, and Hyde's Cave, all carved by the Ausable River over millions of years. Down below, the Ausable River flows through the chasm, creating a stunning backdrop for tubing and rafting. While I'm not tubing today, you can see others floating gently between towering rock walls. Tubing is a relaxing way to experience the gorge, and it's open to anyone over 54 inches tall. Rafting is also available and includes a guide who shares fun facts along the way. After completing the trail, there's a complimentary shuttle bus that brings you back to the Welcome Center. It's a convenient way to wrap up your visit, especially if you've done the full loop or added a float tour. The bus runs regularly and is included with all admission packages. Ausable Chasm is more than just a hike. It's a journey through geological time, natural beauty, and adventure. Whether you're walking, floating, or just soaking in the views, it's a place that leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for joining me on this trail walk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel stories.